back to the nobles. Look at these, aren't they adorable? Listen, listen. Healthy, easy, 30-minute made granola bar cookies. All you need is 1 cup of oats, 1/4 of chopped almonds, 1/4 of pecans, 1/4 of walnuts, 1/4 of pistachios, 1/4 of sunflower seeds, 1/4 of cranberries, and 1 tablespoon of chia seed. You need a pinch of salt. Give that a good mix. And then we need 1/3 of melted coconut oil and 1/4 of maple syrup. So just mimic what I'm doing right now. Intact, use your spoon and bake 20 to 30 minutes and 350 Fahrenheit. Let them chill off completely, cool off completely, and